Lesson 11. We're up to the point where we're starting to write a bit faster, so we need to write in expansion. Once you have mastered some letter forms, the most important lesson I can teach you is how to separate letters. Writing which is separated is going to be easier to make and it will be more legible at high speed. So let's do this exercise, writing in expansion. We're taking the word many. The join now is going to be exaggerated, so it's fingers, 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 hand, fingers, hand, fingers, hand, fingers, hand. This is also a coordination exercise. You're coordinating the fingers, stopping the fingers, sliding the hand. Fingers make the A, hand makes the spacer. Fingers make the A, N, hand makes the spacer, and fingers again. So fingers, 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 hand, fingers, hand, fingers, hand, fingers, hand. Fingers, 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 hand, fingers, hand, fingers, hand, fingers, hand. I'll jump down to make this more easy. Fingers, fingers, hand, fingers, hand, fingers, hand, fingers, hand, and off you go. Now we're getting a bit smaller. M, move out to A, move out to N, move out to Y. M, move out to A, move out to N, move out to Y. And getting down to a more normal size of handwriting. Narrow the M, very narrow M, long spacer A, long spacer N, long spacer Y, and smaller again, M, A, N, Y. This is about the normal expansion I would advise you to use.